Congratulations and welcome to the Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
March 14th, also known as Pi Day, has been chosen to celebrate professional speakers.
Coming up is our second annual Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
We are celebrating the Pi Day or Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
I'm very happy to be with you in this Professional Speaker Celebration Day.
Let's all work together to look for more business, for more work for all of us.
When we work together, when we collaborate, we will make the pie bigger. And that, of course, is what lies behind Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Thank you to all the great speakers out there who are helping to change our world, and it's an exciting time to be in this profession.
I'd like to thank everyone I met along the way and wish everyone throughout the world a very happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Get inspired. Go and listen to a professional speaker. If you're a professional speaker yourself, get out there and inspire people.
So we're supporting each other and we are celebrating our industry sector. So go out there and make a noise about being a professional speaker.
So for us, Professional Speakers Celebration Day is a day to celebrate for sure. And I hope you do it with us.
To all the speakers out there, whether you're on stage, virtual, or finding your voice, happy International Speakers Day.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
And I wish you all the best on celebrating Professional Speakers Day.
I want to say Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
I would like to wish you the best Professional Speaker Celebration Day.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
A very happy Global Speakers Celebration Day.
Selamat menyambut Hari Penceramah Sedunia.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
आप सबको बहुत-बहुत बधाई.
I wish you all a happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Please join me in wishing everyone a happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Super day we have today for us to celebrate the Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Alles Gute zum Tag der professionellen Redner.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day from Jane and I to all of you.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day to everyone.
A very happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
Happy International Professional Speakers Day.
Happy Professional Speakers Celebration Day.
С Днем профессионального спикера, коллеги! Юху!